I feel me doorbell that. Huh? I walk on bother me. My Italian food me a cook. Who bother me? Who is it? Who bother master baker cook Italian food? Huh? Not a time for nobody. Every weekend. Me don't have no reservation today. Me don't know where my ring my doorbell for. Me don't have no reservation. Master Baker cook a romantic dinner for yourself. Or leave me alone. Leave me alone. I wonder if and if I knows it dirty neighbor. I wonder if I dirty neighbor.
Master Baker.
What kind of surprise?
They tried
make me come friend me up. You make me lose a case. What you want from me?
Don't worry about that. This came to my office. They tried to deliver it to you. And I guess you weren't here. So they brought it to my office. It's for you.
Me like different when like this.
Yeah.
I bribe me.
No. It was delivered to me for you. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised.
Boy, I cannot wait. Me love gifts.
You love gifts?
Me like it again.
You like
Me
me?
like you again.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
To Master Baker from Bringy. Oh, Bringy sent me gift. Bringy sent me gift. Bringy sent me gift. Bringy sent me gift. Oh, Bringy sent me gift.
I told
Bringy
you.
sent me gift. Oh, Bringy sent me gift. Bringy sent me gift. Lord, Bringy sent me gift. Bringy sent me gift. Bringy sent me gift.
I told you were going to be happy.
What is it?
I think you're going to want to hold on to this because you know.
Bring it, send me. Oh, bring it, send me in boxes. Oh, bring it. Bring it. Oh, bring it, send me in boxes. Bring it, send me in boxes.
I told you I had a surprise.
Bring it, love me now. And bring it, send me a voice note this one.
He sent your voice note? I hear you always talking about him. And obviously he loves you because he's sending you gifts.
Oh, Jesus. Touchy, touchy. You know, bring it in this.
Yeah?
Bring it in this.
Yeah?
Oh, touchy, touchy. Oh, touchy, bring it. Voice note me this morning.
He did?
But me not understand how me bring it sound, sir. Me bring it sound
What
like...
happened to him?
Me bring it sound like he turn white man for me. Me bring it not talking Jamaica no more.
Oh.
India, England too long.
Oh.
And it sound really, really white like... Me don't know what I do to me bring it.
Oh.
It not even cussing bad word good no more.
No?
No, it's not cussing bad word good no more. You want to hear it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, me play voice note. When me bring it send. Me bring it on white man. I think me bring it on white man. Oh, me bring it on white man. Oh, me play for you. Vanilla biscuit for you.
I'm right here. I'm right
You're
here.
not afraid to come up in here now?
No,
You're
no.
still afraid of Master Baker?
No.
Oh,
No.
you're not afraid of Master Baker?
No. I'm not afraid of you, Master Baker.
I want to play when me bring it send. Come give me. Listen to me bring it. Me bring it. Listen.
It's Bringy. I miss you, my darling, and I can't wait to play hide and seek with you. We will be together soon. I can't wait to hold you in my rasclat. Yes, daughter, my rasclat arms again. Oh, what a rasclat day that will be.
What a rasclat day. That will be. That's what I
time, let me hear.
said.
Master Baker, it's Bringy. I miss you, my darling, and I can't wait to play hide and seek with you. We will be together soon. I can't wait to hold you in my rasclat. Yes, daughter, my rasclat arms again. Oh, what a rasclat day that will be.
Let me practice how to play hide and seek. Me bring it.
Oh, you're practicing.
Yeah, I want to play hide and seek.
Oh.
You want your one more time?
Yeah.
Master Baker, it's Bringy. I miss you, my darling, and I can't wait to play hide and seek with you. We will be together soon. I can't wait to hold you in my rasclat. Yes, daughter, my rasclat arms again. Oh, what a rasclat day that will be.
Bring. I want to send back something for Bring.
You want to send back something?
Yes,
for
bring
him?
it
You want me
something
to send
for
it
me.
off to him?
Yes, I want you video me.
Okay.
Me go serenade. Bring it. Yes, I want you video it. A long time I not sing for me Bring it.
Okay.
Yeah, me go sing
Alright.
a little thing for me Bring it. I want you record it. I want to do it in all way.
Okay.
Come I want Bring it say all of me. Yeah, I want Bring it to say all of me.
Okay.
All of me, I want Bring it to say rocks. Me bring. Oh, me bring. Oh, me bring. Me bring. Vanilla biscuit.
Yes.
I want some for the Bring it. I want to bring it. Here is some for the Bring it. I want you video it good.
Yeah, I'm
All
doing
of
video.
it. All of this, bringing me for see.
Yeah.
Yeah, bringing me for see all of this.
Yeah.
Bring it. Bring it. Freak me, bring it. Freak me, bring it. Freak me, bring it. Oh, let me lift you up. Up and down, bring it. Till you say stop. wanna peel banana with you. I wanna make some coconut with you. And some drops. Yes. And some bread cake. Yes. And I'm gonna do some rum punch for you too. Yes. I'm gonna punch up the rum and bring.
That's a special note from Brittany. I don't want to take it from you.
Don't stop by and not call me first.
I'm sorry.
I'm going to make a romantic dinner for myself tonight.
Oh, well, I
never spend quality time with not only myself now. Brittany, never piece of Brittany. You know?
Yeah.
So I better spend quality time.
I couldn't hold that from you. I was in the area and I said, let me just try and bring it to you and see if you're home.
Yes.
So,
no,
I hope you're not upset. Next time I'll make sure I call.
But what I
yeah.
And thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
I'm going to find out how them turn the Brittany white in some white.
Okay.
Why you investigate?
I'll check.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the length of time he's been in Britain. You know, sometimes they catch the accent for the area where they live, but you know.
Yeah. Big is a strong black man. And powerful.
Oh, yeah.
Check it out for me.
I will.
All right.
I will.
Right.
Okay.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah. So she didn't care, make you say. I'd have beat up. I'd have fight off a girl. I'd have mash her up. Jura, I'd have mash up a girl. She didn't bring my bringy. Come give me. Ha! She lucky. Ha! She lucky. Ha! She lucky. She lucky. Yeah, she lucky. Yeah. Girl lucky.